How to track your orders on Temu. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you exactly track your orders on the Temu application. So to learn how to track your orders on Temu, follow the steps. Firstly, you need to launch the Temu application on your device and ensure that you are signed into your account. Next, tap on the U option, which is located at the bottom of the screen. Then select Orders, where you will find the list of all of your orders. If you cannot locate your order here, proceed to tap on Self-Service to locate your order. Within this section, you will encounter three different options. The first option is to input your email address, the second is to input your order ID, and the third one is to input your payment details. Choose any of these options. For instance, let's select the email address option. Enter your email address and tap on the orange button labeled as Find Order. By following the simple steps, you should be able to locate your order successfully. This method illustrates how you can effectively track your orders on Temu. That concludes this video. We trust that you found it beneficial. If you have found this tutorial beneficial, kindly ensure to express your appreciation by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel.